Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we share delicious and easy recipes. Today we are going to show you how to make Doi Maach, which is traditionally a Bengali fish curry cooked in yogurt based sauce with spices. It's a popular dish that can be enjoyed with steamed rice. Let's get started. First, we need to marinate our rohu fish with some salt and turmeric powder. Mix well and keep aside to marinate for 15 minutes. For the masala mix, take some whisked soured yogurt, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala powder, gram flour to give thickness to the gravy and stop the yogurt from splitting while cooking, and salt as per your preference. Mix all the masalas well and keep aside for later. In a pan, add some mustard oil and heat it until it starts to smoke. Then add a bay leaf, few black peppercorns, and sugar to balance the sourness of the yogurt. Saute them for few seconds until they are fragrant. Then add chopped onions and fry it until it is light golden in color. Add ginger paste and stir it in and cook for 2 minutes. Now we add our star ingredient, our marinated fish pieces. Doi Maach is one of the few Bengali recipes where you can use the fish without fry. Flip the fish and coat them with masala infused oil and onions. Now lower the heat and add the yogurt and masala mix we had made earlier to the pan. Gently stir the fish and coat it with the masala and let the flavors get infused. Next, take some water with the remaining masala in the mixing bowl and add it to the pan. Bring the gravy to a boil, then lower the heat, cover the pan and simmer it for 5 minutes until the oil separates and the gravy is thick and creamy. Flip the fish pieces to make sure both sides are evenly cooked. Garnish your gravy with some split green chilies and few sprigs of coriander leaves. Finally, to finish off, take it off the heat and add a dollop of ghee. We hope that you like this recipe and will try it out. If you do, please let us know in the comments how it turned out. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!